Hi! In front of me is LENOVO Tab P11 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. First of all, go into Play Store. Now click on the search bar, type Magic Fluids. And download this free app from this developer. Then open it. Now just got it and click on the three dots at the bottom right corner, Choose Settings, tap I accept and customize your wallpaper however you like. When you're done, click at the top right corner over here and bottom one again. But this time, click on Set as Live Wallpaper, choose Set As and decide if you want to see it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of the options. So now when I go back, I can see that my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!